Examiners watch everything: how you unpack, where you place your items, and how clean your area looks. Organization equals points. Let's start from the bottom, literally. You'll need a hard, clean, closable container, usually a plastic tub with a lid. Welcome to Stylist Factory. If you're prepping for the Texas Cosmetology Practical Exam, you're in the right place. Getting ready for your Texas TDLR Cosmetology Practical? Let's make sure you don't forget anything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pack, label, and organize your exam kit so you walk in calm, confident, and ready to pass, Texas style. Your practical exam is all about preparation, sanitation, and timing. The right setup means fewer mistakes and no wasted minutes. Examiners watch everything: how you unpack, where you place your items, and how clean your area looks. Organization equals points. Let's start from the bottom, literally. You'll need a hard, clean, closable container, usually a plastic tub with a lid. Inside, group your tools in labeled, sealed bags. Every item should look professional, even disposable ones. Disinfectant container with EPA label, hand sanitizer, and paper towels, trash bag and soiled implements bag, spray bottle labeled water, clips, combs, shears, all in disinfected zip bag. Next, your PPE. You'll need gloves, protective drapes, and neck strips ready to grab. Examiners will watch how safely you handle products and mannequins. Chemical cape and cloth towel, neck strip, 2 pairs of disposable gloves. Mask, optional but professional. For chemical services, color, lightener, relaxer, and perm, keep everything clearly separated. Cross-contamination is an automatic deduction. Color bowl and brush, applicator bottle labeled simulated product. Tint brush labeled color. Towels for chemical services only. Gloves, new pair. Your hair cutting and styling tools must be disinfected and bagged separately. Make sure shears, razor guards, and clips are visibly clean. Electrical tools aren't required unless specified, but if you bring them, cord them neatly. Shears and razor guarded. All-purpose combs, spray bottle labeled water, hand mirror, extra towel. TDLR requires a mannequin with full head of hair. Practice on the same brand you'll use at the test. It makes a difference in timing. Bring an adjustable clamp, tripod, and at least one backup mannequin head just in case. Mannequin with full hair, clamp, tripod, extra rubber bands, and clips. Label each mannequin for testing. Sanitation is half your grade. Keep a disinfectant solution and wipes handy, plus bags for clean and soiled implements. Label clearly. Examiners must see you know your safety protocol. EPA registered disinfectant, paper towels, soiled items bag, hand sanitizer, first aid kit. Now, the secret. Pack in exam order. The first bag you'll need should be on top. Group by service, setup, haircut, chemical cleanup. Tape a mini checklist inside your lid so you can glance at it quickly during setup. Before test day, do a full mock setup. Time yourself. Practice removing and replacing items without looking down. The smoother your movements, the more confident you'll appear to the examiner. Your kit is packed, your confidence is up. Now let's get you fully prepared. Join me at Stylist Factory for complete mock exams, coaching, and detailed checklists for every TDLR section. Study smart, practice with purpose, and pass the Texas way the first time.